Hi everyone, I'm here for you and welcome to the Czech Republic. It's a country in the middle of Europe with tons of history, cool culture, and beautiful nature. Lots of people visit Prague, but we're going to explore the secret, awesome places that make this country so special. We'll see charming old towns and amazing countryside. Get ready to love this awesome country. Our first stop is Telk, a town that feels like a time machine back to the Renaissance. Nestled in the heart of the Czech Republic, Telk is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its well-preserved Renaissance architecture. As you step into the town, you are immediately transported to a different era, where every corner tells a story of its own. The main square is full of colorful buildings with fancy decorations and arches. Each building is a masterpiece, showcasing the artistic flair of the Renaissance period. The vibrant facades, adorned with intricate details, create a picturesque setting that is both charming and awe-inspiring. Imagine horse-drawn carriages and people selling things under colorful awnings. The square often hosts markets and festivals, where locals and tourists alike can experience the lively atmosphere of a bygone era. The sound of horse hooves on cobblestone streets and the vibrant chatter of market-goers add to the enchanting ambiance. Telk's main square, or Majestic in Czech, is like a history book. Each building and monument has a story to tell, from the town's founding in the 13th century to its Renaissance transformation in the 16th century. Walking through the square, you can almost hear the whispers of history echoing through the ages. Look for the cool plaster decorations that look like 3D carvings. These sgraffito decorations are a hallmark of Renaissance art, adding depth and texture to the buildings. The intricate designs often depict historical scenes, mythological figures, and floral patterns, each telling a unique story. Check out the funny figures on the roofs and the fancy iron on the balconies. These whimsical details add a touch of humor and personality to the town's architecture. The ironwork, with its delicate patterns and ornate designs, is a testament to the craftsmanship of the era. Everywhere you look is a great photo. Telk is a photographer's paradise with its stunning architecture, vibrant colors, and picturesque landscapes. Whether you're capturing the beauty of the town square or the serene reflections in the nearby ponds, every shot is a work of art. Telk has lots of stories. From its medieval origins to its Renaissance heyday, the town is steeped in history and legend. Guided tours offer fascinating insights into the town's past, revealing the secrets behind its architectural marvels and historical landmarks. One story says a knight named Oldrich was saved from a wild boar by a magical white stag. This legend is commemorated in statues and artworks throughout the town, adding a touch of myth and magic to Telk's rich tapestry of history. True or not, Telk feels magical. The town's enchanting atmosphere is palpable, especially at sunset when the golden light bathes the buildings in a warm, ethereal glow. It's a place where history and fantasy intertwine, creating a truly unforgettable experience. Visit the Renaissance Chateau, a big fancy house where rich people used to live. It's a museum now. The chateau offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the nobility with its lavish interiors, exquisite art collections, and beautifully landscaped gardens. It's a must-see for anyone visiting Telk, providing a deeper understanding of the town's cultural and historical significance. Next, we're going to Český Sternberk, a village with an amazing castle. Nestled in the heart of the Czech Republic, this picturesque village is like stepping into a fairy tale. The castle, perched high on a hill, dominates the landscape and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Český Sternberk Castle is a super cool Gothic fortress on a hill. Built in the mid-13th century, it has stood the test of time, witnessing countless historical events and changes. The architecture is a stunning example of Gothic design with its tall towers, thick walls, and intricate stonework. It's been there for hundreds of years. Through the seasons, the castle transforms, offering a unique experience whether you visit in the vibrant colors of autumn, the snowy blanket of winter, the blooming spring, or the lush green of summer. Imagine knights and noblemen walking around. The castle often hosts medieval festivals where you can see reenactors dressed in period costumes, bringing history to life with jousting tournaments, traditional music, and dance. The castle is like a museum of medieval life. Inside, guided tours take you through rooms filled with antique furniture, tapestries, and artifacts that tell the story of the castle's storied past. See the weapons and armor and imagine big battles. The armory displays an impressive collection of medieval weapons and armor, giving you a glimpse into the martial history of the castle. Walk through the fancy halls with cool paintings and tapestries. Visit the quiet chapel. The ornate halls are adorned with beautiful paintings and tapestries, each telling a story of its own. The chapel, a serene space, offers a moment of reflection amidst the grandeur. But there's more to Český Sternberk than just the castle. The village itself is a charming destination with its narrow streets and traditional houses. The village is super cute with cobblestone streets, little houses, and cafes. Stroll through the cobblestone streets, and you'll find quaint houses, cozy cafes, and friendly locals who are always ready to share a story or two. Walk along the river, eat some Czech food, and buy some souvenirs. The Sazava River adds to the village's charm, offering scenic walks along its banks. Don't miss the local markets where you can taste traditional Czech food and buy unique souvenirs. If you like adventure, go hiking in the countryside. The surrounding countryside is perfect for hiking, with trails that offer stunning views and a chance to explore the natural beauty of the region. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for a peaceful getaway, Český Sternberk has something for everyone. Now we're leaving the city for the Moravian countryside, a region that feels like stepping into a painting. The landscape here is a mesmerizing blend of rolling hills, lush vineyards, and charming villages that seem to have been frozen in time. As we journey through this picturesque area, you'll notice the beautiful hills that stretch as far as the eye can see, the vineyards that produce some of the finest wines in the Czech Republic, and the quaint villages that offer a glimpse into a simpler, more peaceful way of life. It's a place to relax and enjoy nature, where the hustle and bustle of city life feels like a distant memory. Here you can truly unwind, surrounded by the serene beauty of the countryside. Imagine biking on quiet roads, the wind gently rustling through the trees, and the scent of wildflowers filling the air. The roads here are perfect for a leisurely ride, offering stunning views at every turn. As you pedal along, you'll come across fields of sunflowers, their bright yellow faces turned towards the sun. Life is slower here, allowing you to savor each moment and appreciate the simple pleasures. We'll visit a winery and taste some of the best Czech wines. The winemakers here are passionate about their craft, and you'll get to experience the rich flavors and aromas that make Moravian wines so special. Learn about how they make wine, from the careful cultivation of the grapes to the intricate process of fermentation and aging. Each bottle tells a story of tradition and dedication. Enjoy the view of the vineyards and rolling hills, a landscape that has been shaped by centuries of winemaking. The sight of the neatly arranged vines against the backdrop of the hills is truly breathtaking. But Moravia is more than just wine. This region is steeped in history and culture, with countless stories waiting to be discovered. It has lots of history and culture. From ancient castles to vibrant cultural festivals, there's always something to explore and experience. We'll go to a market and try special foods like Olomouc cheese, a local delicacy known for its strong aroma and unique flavor. The markets here are a feast for the senses, offering a variety of fresh produce, handmade goods, and traditional treats. A strong-smelling but yummy cheese, Olomouc cheese is a must-try for any food lover. As you sample this and other local specialties, you'll get a true taste of Moravian hospitality and culinary tradition. Our next stop is Kutná Hora, a town with history, cool buildings, and something a little spooky. Kutná Hora used to be a rich silver mining town. You can see its history in the grand churches and buildings, but the strangest place is the Sedlec ossuary, a little chapel decorated with the bones of thousands of people. It's a little creepy, but also a reminder of life and death, and how art and spirituality can be mixed. But Kutná Hora is more than just this. Our last stop is Karlstein Castle, a big Gothic castle on a hill. It was built by a powerful king, Charles IV. It's a really impressive castle. The high walls and towers made it super safe. Inside, you'll see rooms that whisper stories of kings and queens. The architecture is amazing. The best part is the Chapel of the Holy Cross, decorated with jewels and gold. It was a very important place for the king. But Karlstein Castle is more than just an old building. The Czech Republic, with its pretty towns, amazing castles, and friendly people, is a wonderful place. We've seen so many cool places from Telk to Karlstein Castle. Remember, the best part of traveling is exploring new places and making memories. So next time you travel, think about the Czech Republic. Like this video, tell us your favorite Czech experiences in the comments and subscribe for more adventures. Goodbye.